Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Facebook app not working issue on iPhones. So guys, many of you are complaining about that your Facebook app is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Facebook app not working issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often fix these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Again you scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to do is simply open the software update on your iPhone and then see if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After updating the iOS version, then you have to do is update your Facebook version. You have to open the App Store on your iPhone and then search here Facebook. And if you see any available update for the app, simply tap on the update and update the Facebook app to its latest version. After updating the Facebook app and you're still facing the issue and your Facebook app is not working properly, then you have to do is reinstall your Facebook app on your iPhone. So guys, to do this you have to simply tap and hold on the Facebook app, tap on remove app and then delete the app from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and the Facebook app is still not working on your iPhone, then it's advisable to do reset your network settings. So guys, to do this you have to simply open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and you will see your option transfer reset iPhone. Simply tap on it, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Facebook app not working issue on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.